A very good morning to you, dear children. In today's video, which is titled Lesson 11, Part 2, Children at the Zoo, we are going to discuss the work that is to be done in the English classwork book and in the course book. So you can get ready with both the books, your pencil and erasers too. Work to be done in CW book, English CW book. Write the new words once in CW book on a fresh page. Number 2, write questions and answers once in CW book on a fresh page. Work to be done in course book. Complete question 1 on page 112 of the course book, Grow with Words. You can tick mark the correct answer. I have highlighted here and underlined, but you can tick mark the correct answer. So children, as we have been writing all along, on a new page, write capital L, small s, 11, children at the zoo, C capital and Z capital. CHILDREN, children at the zoo, Z capital, double O. The new words should be written in the next line. N capital, EW, new, W capital, ORDS, new words. You can write at your own pace, children, but be sure that your handwriting is neat and your work is also neat and tidy. Number 1, these are the same words which we have underlined in our course book. Number 1, because. BECAUSE, because. Number 2, classmates. CLASSMATES, classmates. Number 3, tickets. TICKETS, tickets. Number 4, counter. COUNTER, counter. Number 5, popcorns. Break up the word into parts. It will be easier for you to remember. POP, pop, CORNS, corns, popcorns. Number 6, against. AGAINST, against. Number 7, tease. TEASE, tease. Number 8, sensitive. SENSITIVE, sensitive. Number 9, intelligent. INTELLI, telly, GENT, gent. Intelligent. Here G is making the sound of J, gent. Number 10, national. NATIONAL, national. Number 11, country. COUNTRY, country. Number 12, hippopotamus. HIPPO, hippo, PO, paw, TA, MUS, mus, hippopotamus. Number 13, remember. REMEMBER, bird, remember. And number 14, Eatables. 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 You can write at your own pace. I will also send a PDF so you can see that also. Next page, you don't have to write the date again. In the previous page where you have written the new words, you can write the date. 13.2.21. Here we are writing capital A, answer the following. Question 1, Q1 in the margin. Why were Zaro and Zuli happy? Begin with a capital letter. Don't forget to put a question mark at the end because this is a question. Why were Zaro and Zuli happy? In the next line, A1, capital A1. Zaro and Zuli will begin with capital letters because they are special names, proper nouns. Were happy because they were going to the zoo with their classmates. Full stop at the end because this is an answer. It is a statement. Put a cross in the next line, leave the next line. Q2 in the margin. Begin with capital letter. Who is Mrs. Call? Question mark. Answer 2, A2 in the margin. Mrs. Call is their teacher. Full stop. Leave the next line. Put a cross in the margin. Question 3, Q3 in the margin. Begin with capital letter. Why should we not laugh or tease animals? Again, why should we not laugh at or tease animals? Question mark. Answer 3 in the margin, A3. Animals are very sensitive and they feel upset if we laugh at them or tease them. Children, you can write at your own pace. I am just discussing the questions and answers with you. If your page is over, please move on to the next page. And if not, you can continue. Question 4. Q4 in the margin. Which is India's national bird? Question mark. A4 in the margin. Peacock is India's national bird. Leave the next line. Put a cross in the margin. Q5. Why should we not give food to zoo animals? A5 in the margin. We must not give food to zoo animals as it can make them sick. Because the zoo authorities already give them food at the particular and fixed time. So if they eat in between that time, they might fall ill. Leave the next line. Question number 6. Q6 in the margin. What must we keep in mind while visiting the zoo? A6. Answer 6. We must remember zoo rules and we must not throw eatables in the cages too. Okay, children, now after you finish your question and answers, on the new page, write the heading animals and their sounds. You have to write this in the CW book and learn it up because questions from here can come in your annual exam. Everything that we write in CW, you must learn. Okay, so I am saying you can fold the page into half. On one side, write animals, and on the right side, write sounds. A monkey chatters. Chatters is the sound that a monkey makes. Next, a dog barks. A cat mews. A crow caws. A hen clucks. A lion roars. An elephant trumpets. An owl hoots. A sparrow chirps. A duck quacks. And a goat bleats. So you have to learn the spelling of these sounds. A monkey chatters, a dog barks, a cat mews, a crow caws, a hen clucks, a lion roars, an elephant trumpets, an owl hoots, a sparrow chirps, a duck quacks, and a goat bleats. Okay, children, now this is the work to be done in the course book. The classwork work is completed. Now, course book, lesson 11, question number 1 you have to complete on page 112. Choose the correct answer. Mrs. Call asked the children to, number 1, wait at the gate, follow her in a line, or both. She asked both the things. So, you have to tick mark on number 3, answer both. Next, number B, the chimpanzee was. Was he eating popcorn? Was he playing with the baby? Or was he teasing others? Yes, if you remember the lesson nicely, you will give the answer. The chimpanzee was playing with the baby. So you can tick mark number 2 option. Part C, the hippopotamus does not feel cold because option A, option 1, sorry, it keeps its nose above the water, it has a very thick skin, it sleeps in the water. The answer is the hippopotamus does not feel cold because it has a very thick skin. You can tick mark option number 2. All right, children. So we come to the end of this video. In your spare time, in your study time, complete the work in the CW and course books. Learn the word meanings from the lesson. Learn and write questions once and answers twice in your study book. Thank you and have a good day.